In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make printable flashcards with Google Sheets docs. First, set up your data. Open a new Google Sheet and label the first two columns front and back. Think of front as the prompt like a vocabulary word and back as the definition or answer. Type one flashcard per row so each line becomes a single card. Keep the wording short and clear, and try to avoid extra line breaks or special formatting, which can make the layout messy later. If you have a long list, you can paste it in and then use the sheet to sort alphabetically or by topic, so your study deck stays organized. Next, add the tool that turns this sheet into printable cards. Go to the Extensions menu. Choose Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, search for Flashcard Lab, click to install it and follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Make sure you are signed into the Google account that owns the sheet so the add-on can access it. With the add-on installed, you are ready to create the cards. Open the Extensions menu again, click Flashcard Lab, then choose Open Flashcard Lab. A panel will appear on the right. Select Start Reviewing to let the add-on read the front and back columns. It may take a moment to load. If you have a lot of rows, just leave the sheet open and let it finish. When the data is ready, click Make Flashcard Doc. The add-on will generate a new Google Doc that lays out your flashcards for printing. Open the generated document. And review a couple of pages to make sure the text looks the way you want. From here, you can print directly. Use the print button or file. Then print. If you are printing double-sided, choose the appropriate two-sided option so fronts and backs line up correctly. And consider using cardstock for sturdier cards. If the margins or size need tweaking for your printer, adjust those in the print preview before you finalize. That's it. Thanks for watching.